Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, or welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Well guys, in today's video, I want to give you a quick update on Webull and Webull's referral program. Now, let me walk you through what you're going to be getting if you click on my link down in the description box and open up your new Webull account today. You're going to get 5 free stocks valued up to $9,600 when you open a Webull brokerage account today. Put at least 1 penny in there. You're going to get the 5 free stocks valued up to $9,600. But that's not even the best part. So now once you get your Webull account open, you're going to get a referral link. You're going to get, guys, 10 additional free stock when someone that you refer to Webull, they use your referral link, just like my referral link you guys are clicking on down below. When someone uses your referral link, Webull is going to give you 10 free stocks, guys, and each one of those stock can be valued up to $3,000 a piece. Let me make sure you heard me. That's right. Not only when you use my link to initially open your account, you're going to get 5 free stocks. Then when you use your link and send it out to people through your social media platforms, and a family or a friend or just any random person uses your link to open their Webull account, Webull is going to give you an additional 10 free stocks. Like I said, each one of those stocks can be valued up to $3,000 a piece, man. So in essence, you can have a referral link, someone click on it, they open up their Webull account using your referral link. You can get 10 free stocks valued up to $30,000. Guys, where are you going to get that at in any other brokerage app, self-directed brokerage app? It's going to be hard to find that, guys. So do me a favor. Today, click on my link down in the description box of the video, open up your Webull account, go ahead and grab those 5 free stock right off the rip, right? You're going to get those 5 free stock. And then I want you, once you have your account fully open, that means you have to put money in it and it's open, at least 1 penny. Once you have it open, then you're going to be able to get access to your Webull referral link. Right? And then all you got to do is copy and paste that referral link, like I said, either in a Facebook post, an Instagram stories post. You can copy and paste and put it in a Twitter post, so on and so forth. My main point here, guys, is you can copy and paste your Webull referral link and put it anywhere you're allowed to. And anybody clicks on that link, you're going to get those 10 free stocks each time someone clicks on it. Now, guys, this is a limited time. Webull will not run this promotion forever. It'll probably run through the month of April 2022. So jump on this thing today. And like I said, go down to the description box of this video and you'll see the Webull link. Take advantage of that today. Pick up your 5 free stocks. And then the first time someone opens a Webull account using your referral link, you're going to get an additional 10 free stocks. And each time someone does that, you're going to continue to get an additional 10 stocks as long as the promotion runs. Well, all right, guys, drop me some comments and let me know once you have gotten your first 10 free stock from someone using your referral link. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. You can see it in your mind. You can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. And I'm going to catch you in the next video. Peace. Today's video is sponsored by my company, RF Financial Consulting. And in my company, I work with individuals just like you through financial mentoring and coaching sessions. And in those 1-hour sessions, we talk about strategies to help you get to your financial freedom, whether it be through real estate investing, stock market investing, creating additional streams of income, credit card arbitrage, or starting and growing a business. If that's something that you might be interested in, there's an email address in the description box of the video. Send me an email and let's discuss if I'm the right fit for you.